Okay, now ours has got a little heart at the bottom, so it's gonna poop. Okay, so dummy's in, Zoe.
Yes.
Okay, squeeze, baby, squeeze.
It's like granny poop.
Yeah, oh, it's like Finny's baby poop. Oh my.
It's really.
Oh goodness, it's so watery. Okay, dokie. Oh goodness, it does squeeze out everything, hey? Okay. Now we're going to start mixing in all the slimes and stuff. Yeah. Okay. So, it's fine. I think is everything out.
Trying to see if there's anything else. Yeah.
Oh, wait. We have to let the slime thicken for 15 to 20 minutes. And then we can throw all the good stuff in. Okay, so we'll see you later.